Welcome everybody to another Brisbane summer dip location. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like and share this video and click on that notification button. This was our first time to this Brisbane City Pool location and we were quite pleased too. We really did enjoy this one. Now, depending on where you live in the Brisbane region and which side of the Brisbane River you live on, this place is a bit of a tricky place to get to. But if you do decide to go, it's off Morgul Road and onto Birkin Road. This was our first time here, so when the boys heard a splash from outside the car park, they automatically knew that there was a bucket here, so they were very excited. It would normally cost the family $23.20 to enter, but with the Brisbane City summer deal, it only cost the family $8, so that's a $15.20 saving for the whole family. At the swim centre you will find a 50-metre pool with 8 lanes. There's lanes set aside for recreational swimming and lanes dedicated for swimming laps if that's what you want. Just remember that the 50-metre pool is not heated. For toddlers and little ones, there is a shaded wade pool for them to play around and swim. At the kiosk, you can purchase most items that you will need. And there is also a provided seating area where you can sit and enjoy your snacks. As well as the 50-metre pool, there is a 25-metre heated undercover pool that is mainly used for swimming lessons. The swim centre is situated on a big area with open space, so there's plenty of space to find a seating area on a real busy day. There is good amount of provided shade, as well as tables and chairs with overhead shade.
If you want to start the word podcast, just put it.
Okay. The boys really did enjoy this splash pad water play. It is really a good sized play pad with lots of room to run around, and also being padded, it's great for not getting scraped knees and cuts. It's a fun splash pad area with water guns and water features, and the good thing about this place is that you don't have to wait long for the bucket to fill up, because it does really fill up really quick.
Jump underneath.
If you want to see more of our Brisbane summer deals dip locations and have enjoyed watching this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that notification button. And also don't forget to like and share this video.